In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Search on your PS5. First, go to the Settings menu in the top right corner. Then navigate to Accessibility, select Display and Sound, and open Zoom. Make sure the Enable Zoom option is turned on so you can use Google Search in full screen. After enabling this, go back to the Settings menu and scroll down to Users and Accounts. From the left sidebar, select Link Services, then choose YouTube. Once you're there, select Link at the bottom, then scroll down and choose Use Browser. Now, press the PlayStation button and the square button on your controller at the same time. Press X to confirm the zoom adjustment. Next, select Terms in the bottom right corner. From here, choose the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and open Google Search. Once Google Search loads, press the R3 button on your controller a few times to zoom in. You can now use Google Search on your PS5 in full screen mode. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.